I want to show you guys some cool little candy that we have here. This is actually gum, and it's like a sort of like a challenge to see who gets the one that has the big bunch of sour goop inside. So this one's soda flavored, there's cola, and then we also have grape. And the inside there's 3 pieces of gum, and you don't know from looking at it on the outside which one is the bad one. So which one do you guys want to do first?
Cola.
You guys want to do cola today? Alright, let's do cola. So just open it up here. This is what it looks like. See, so you can't really tell. They all have the same like markings on them and stuff. You don't really know which one's the bad one.
Where's more?
Which one do you want to eat, Audrey?
Where's more?
Give her my hands, Kate. See?
Oh.
Here, Kate, which one do you want to eat? We'll do that one later, okay? Can you pick which one of these you want? Which one do you want, Kate?
This one.
Go ahead, take it. Okay, ready? On 3? 1, 2, 3.
I don't know. Is yours? Is mine? No. I like the grape one.
Did you get the bad one, Kate? Is it really sour?
I like this one.
You want the grape one instead?
I want this one.
You want that one? Okay, ready?
Oh, mine.
Was it yummy, Kate?
No, it's spicy.
Is it spicy? Is it really sour? Yucky? Not so good? Too sour?
Try this one.
What if she gets the bad one again?
No, what is sour? I like this one.
Ready?
Oh my God!
Mine now. So bye. Go go go.
It's yummy.
Is it yummy, Kate? You have a yummy one. Good.